Hey everyone, in this video we're doing a quick review of Halfpe.com, a site that's been gaining traction lately. Is it a legit platform or just another online scam? Quick disclaimer as always, this review is based on my personal opinion and independent research. Please do your own due diligence before making any online purchases. Halfpe.com appears to be an online marketplace offering a variety of products from electronics to personal accessories at steep discounts. The website has a clean layout, features a wide selection of items, and includes customer service contact info at the bottom of the page. According to Scam Advisor, the website is receiving a lot of traffic based on Franco ratings. Its SSL certificate is valid, which means no connection is secure. DNS filter marks it as safe, and overall the site appears to be legit and safe to use. These are all solid signs that Halfpe.com isn't some fly-by-night scam. So is Halfpe.com real or fake? Based on current data, it looks legit, but that said, always be cautious with any site offering massive discounts. Check return policies, payment security, and customer reviews before buying. If you're unsure, try a small purchase first. That's a wrap on today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more short, honest reviews.